Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Razr Fold, and let me share with you how to customize this quick settings option or section, and how to show the names of the tiles, how to rearrange them and change the size. Alright, so all you need to do is to unroll the upper panel. Let's open the quick settings fully, and as you can see we've got a variation in the sizes of the tiles. The Bluetooth and modes are quite large, and for example Wi-Fi is small, and we cannot really see the name of the tile. So we can actually change it. Let's tap on this edit icon in the right lower corner, let's say, and now we can select the tiles to rearrange and resize. So obviously if you feel that you've got too many tiles here, you can simply remove them just by tapping on this minus icon on it, which is great. So you can, make the list narrower. And if you feel that you're not the biggest fan of those small tiles without the name, all you need to do is to tap on it, and now on the right we've got this line, this bluish line, and just by tapping on it and swiping it you can make the tile larger. And unfortunately there's no way to show the tile name, or basically the function, and keep it small like this, because there is simply no space to show the tile name and keep it that small. But still you can customize it here, thanks to which at least those options that are essential for you, you can just make them larger, and you will be able to see the name of it. So position it like you want to. Obviously you can also rearrange them, so just tap on it and hold it, and then you can drag it wherever you want to which position you want to. So position it just like you wish to make it comfortable for you, and after finishing you can just go back, and as you can see it will be immediately applied. The layout that you've set will be immediately applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.